Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to turn on and turn off the airplane mode on your NUBIA Focus 2 Ultra 5G. So if you want to turn on the airplane mode, I'll show you how to do it. It's very simple. So open up your quick settings panel right here by swiping down from upper part of your phone, and here you can see the flight mode. So to turn it on, just click on it, and as you can see now Wi-Fi is off, Bluetooth is off, and you can see this airplane icon right here near the battery. So that's how you know your airplane mode is on. And to turn it off, just simply click flight mode again. And right now Wi-Fi is on and the airplane icon near the battery is gone. So basically that's how you turn on and turn off the airplane mode on your NUBIA Focus 2 Ultra 5G. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.